Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this HerFav travel jewelry case is my new fave. When you are traveling to a place, maybe if you're going on a trip and you are needing to dress up a little bit or wear jewelry, it is very frustrating to make sure your jewelry doesn't get damaged or tangled. And that's why I absolutely fell in love with this jewelry travel case, because it has so many compartments. It has a spot on the top part of the lid where you can hook your chained jewelry so you don't have to worry about it getting tangled. It's got a cute little pocket that the charms and everything can go. It also has a little pocket that's attached to the lid. And then on the bottom, it has a spot for your rings. I think this is so useful. It's so small, it can fit in the palm of my hand. It is so easy to pack. This is such a great item. I think you're going to love it. And that's my point of view.